काले नींबू आ गया।
कोई बोल नहीं सकता आपको मेरे लिए। छोड़ ऊपर, कम कम अप, कम अप, कम अप। इसका मुन्ना इनका दोनों चढ़ और शादी कम या
आपके साथ दो आगे।
हाँ एक बार शादी कम आएगा कम so proud of you. Like I was so nervous at my Bharshan. Okay, so for Lata and Sanjeev and Rishina, so I want to set up here proper because when they come on. Okay, now so my hair. Okay, see the how camera makes it. I'm not liking this going flat. Where am I going wrong?
I think it's looking good.
Ready? थोड़ा चिल्ला उस तरफ ज़्यादा नहीं थोड़ा यहाँ दे
And he's my son, so sweet. Say hello to everyone.
You're dressed up with it.
Yes.
Very cute. It's just
Anyway, ma'am. It's your.
Yes, I understand. It's a little bit.
It's fine. My photos.
नहीं यहाँ एक मिनट यहाँ
Thank you.
She's acknowledged worldwide as a visionary thought leader, and she was recently awarded the ATL Teachers of Change Award in Maharashtra State for her exemplary leadership to galvanize kids at an early age.
Thank you, Shweta. Firstly, good morning to each one of you. I am grateful to my Lord Jesus just for this opportunity of being here and being able to just celebrate this launch with Nidhi. The importance of reading at an early age is a no-brainer because I think, as we all know, 95% of the child's cognitive development happens in the foundational years, and that is why reading is so critical. They make vital connections, and these connections stimulate brain development. And as a result, it is important to introduce reading and the habit of reading at an early age, because then it sparks, their imagination. You can cultivate curiosity as well as creativity. They also learn to be socially aware, confident, as well as develop empathy. And I think that is the kind of children that we want. We want humane beings. We want global citizens, but who are humane. And that is why it's important to introduce them to reading at an early age, but also what kind of reading. And that's why when Nidhi invited me for this launch, I know it because my daughter was a part of a program, and she started reading at about 3.5, 4 years. And the importance of illustration is the fact that it helps them make connections, association. And that's why they developed the other 3 skills of reading, listening, speaking, as well as writing eventually. And if you know, in our formal education, these 4 skills are given adequate importance now. And that's why it's important that we introduce, that's why we start with flashcards and picture books at an early age. Why? Because it does something to their imagination. They start making meaningful connections, and that's why we introduce learning at an early age.
Thank you so much, Dr. Snehal. That was really great. And now that we've understood. Okay, so today we have with us Lata Sabharwal ma'am. Can we please have you here? Okay, so to quickly introduce Lata Sabharwal, she's an Indian actor, certified nutritionist, image consultant, motivational speaker. She has also been on the TEDx platform, and she's a very famous YouTuber. Can we have a big round of applause? And we also have with us Sanjeev Seth, who has been working in the television industry for last 28 years. He has been a part of very popular shows like Campus, Ashirwad, Karishma Ka Karishma, Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, Ye Rishte Hai Pyar Ke, and I can go on. And he's currently working for a Yash Raj film titled Maharaj. Can we have a big round of applause for him? Okay, so now let's get back to the topic that we were discussing. So now that Dr. Snehal has told us the importance of how important the illustrations are, how important it is for the kids to read at an early age, I'm going to go to Simone because I'm sure she has practically applied it on her kids. So Simone, we want to know, at what age did your kids start reading, and how did phonics really help them?
So I'm actually here at the best time because my son just turned 4, my daughter's 2, so I couldn't have found these books at a more perfect, more appropriate time. As a person who's grown up reading myself, I truly believe that reading is most definitely played one of the most important roles in sparking my creativity and imagination, be it as a fashion designer, be it in whatever I do. And my kids love to read, and I've made sure that they love to read. But now to get them to read alone is something I've never known how to do because I'm not a teacher and I've been stuck at home with them in this pandemic. But now with books like this, and I was just going through the books with Nidhi, and they're amazing and they make so much sense, and I can't wait to start this journey with them today. And we're going to be only talking in phonics for the next couple of months, and let's see how this goes, and I'm sure it's going to be amazing.
That's really amazing. Thank you so much for answering it so well. Okay, now let's get to... Yes, so I would request Lata ma'am to speak a few words today and just tell us about how do you feel about the book, and yes, a few good words for our author today.
Definitely, first I would like to speak about our author, that she is very, very diligent and she loves her work. So definitely whatever work she is creating has to be the best because she is really into it. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि निधि शायद दिन में रात में अपनी बुक्स के बारे में, फोनिक्स के बारे में, यही चीज़ों के बारे में सोचती रहती है. Am I right, Nidhi? Okay, and there's a saying that children are made readers on the lap of their mothers. मतलब बच्चा जब इतना छोटा होता है, जब वो माँ की गोद में होता है, तब से अगर आप उसे किताब पढ़ के सुनाएंगे या बुक्स दिखाएंगे, क्योंकि वो खुद उस टाइम पे नहीं पढ़ सकता है, तो डेफिनेटली वो प्यार जो है वो बुक्स के लिए होता है, वो डेवलप कर लेगा. एंड इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस Because I, being the only child, I have grown up with books. And the same thing I tell my son also, that books are your best friend. You will never feel lonely. You will never feel like you don't have friends, or what to do when you are in your free time. So books are really, really important, and the best part is the images and the colorful illustrations. Yes, what we get in the books, because children, when they cannot read, they really get attracted towards those, and they would like to touch them, feel them. Even these factors are very, very important, because it is not just about reading, it is about touching a book, it is about feeling a book, it is about recognizing, relating to it, seeing the colors. So I feel that Nidhi is doing a great job, and these books are just perfect.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for putting it out so well, and of course the words of encouragement for our author. Thank you so much. Sanjeev sir, yes, we would like to know your views on the book and the author.
First of all, congratulations, Nidhi, on the launch of this book. We've been knowing Nidhi since a long time, and whatever she does in the building and whenever we see her, she does with her full concentration and dedication. Like sometimes we feel कि भैया ये इतना कर सकती तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते? But she's definitely different. And coming to books, I am not a very avid reader of books unlike Lata. She reads a lot, and since her child was small, she has cultivated a daily habit of reading a story every night. Every night, without reading a story or anything, without reading anything, you don't sleep. So that's a very good thing, and I'm sure such books will really help the kids to grow, and books are always good. I have read a lot in my life. I did my CA, so I've studied quite a lot of books. So I'm really tired of reading now. But I always support them whenever they read, and it's a very, very good habit, and I think all children should cultivate this habit. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Sanjeev sir.
Add something that in this digital world, when we are growing up watching YouTube, we are showing many videos to our children through YouTube and educating them through digital medium. That physical touch of a book is very, very important for the development of all the senses of a child.
Thank you so much. Okay, now let's move to the lady of the hour, or should I say the lady of the day. आज आप ही का दिन है, and I am sure now everyone who has been here, I have been here since morning, and everyone is asking her about the book and what are the contents of the book. But now I would like to just ask you one question. How are you feeling today? Just express yourself. What are your feelings
Shraddha, for
today?
this lovely questions. So I'm really overwhelmed right now. I'm feeling so good that everybody is here to support me in this my book launch, and I'm very happy that everybody in the morning, I have told them to come early in the morning, but it's great to see everybody. Thank you so much. So my book is all about reading at early age. I have already launched earlier my 3 books, and now this is the continuation of other 2 books, which is again the blends. Sounds, and the child, which it will help the child to read more confidently and more accurately with the book. The pictures are again same, very illustrative and very colorful, which binds the child to the book, and they make it a point that they pick themselves and they read it. So it's very important the child should get independent and more confident while reading with this book.
Thank you so much, Nidhi. Can we have a big round of applause for her?
Thank you so much.
Okay, with that, without further ado, I would request all the judges to kindly take 1 copy each. So we're going to do the official book launch of the event, of the book now. Can we have like 1 copy each for all the... We can have probably everyone here, and everyone can stand. So now we're going to unwrap the book as a part of the official book launch of 3 Steps Up Phonetic Reader. So can we have you in the center?
Yeah.
Thank you.
निधि थोड़ा 1 स्टेप थोड़ा आगे थोड़ा बस हाँ बस ये लाइन मैम आप भी थोड़ा सो
Okay, wait, we'll do it together, okay? Can everyone unwrap their copy? So we are officially launching the book Yes, we can do it. Yeah. Can we have a big round of applause once again? I know all of you want to click pictures, but a round of applause here is much more needed. Can we give a big round of applause for the author?
Come close. Yeah. Ma'am.
I would say a hard work of many months have finally come down here and they have borne fruit, and she's officially launching the second book, 3 Steps Up Phonetic Reader.
Yeah, ready? Yeah? Done? 1 second. Wait. Yeah? Excuse me, ma'am.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are officially launching 3 Steps Up Phonetic Reader, a book specially designed for the reading needs of kids. Reading which is made easier with this book. Once again, can we have a big round of applause for our author, Nidhi Sureka? Okay, along with the books, we also have some mementos for all our guests. So can we have Amira, who is Nidhi's lovely daughter? Can we have her here? Can we have Amira here?
So, ma'am, आप आइए साथ में फोटो ले बुक के साथ हाँ या ready? किधर? किधर सेंटर पे? और सेंटर में लगे थे। मार। Nidhi ma'am here. Center. Thank you.
चलिए बॉडी करो